Hi there, I'm Andrea from JingerPips. Thank you for joining me today. Today I just wanted to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to make quite a healthy breakfast, because when I first started trying to get my diet a little bit healthier, breakfast was the one area that I really struggled. So this is just to give you an idea of the sort of things you can do. I have a second reason for making this video actually. As you can see, we're camping at the moment. And camping was also an area where I found that my diet suffered a little bit. So this is also a simple breakfast, simple healthy breakfast that you can make on just one burner. Now obviously I'm doing this on a barbecue because we're outside, but you can equally do this on just a frying pan on your hob. Now what I've done, this recipe is basically you use anything that you've got left over. To save a little bit of time, I've already started cooking just some mushrooms and some tomatoes on this burner, just cooking them slightly. And what I'm going to do is add some spinach to it. And what this is basically spinach and eggs. If you mush down all of the spinach, then you can pop the eggs. Oh, and the spinach is blowing away. It does look a lot of spinach I'm putting on here, but it really does mash down really easily. Now, when I'm actually at home, I will just leave my frying pan like this, because actually it sort of gives the tomatoes and the mushrooms a little bit of a caramelly taste, which I actually really quite like. The downside to that is actually that it takes quite a long time to cook. So just for this video, what I'm going to do is put the lid on this to help it wilt the spinach, so then I can show you the rest of the video really quickly. Okay. A few minutes has passed. Just going to check whether this is nicely wilted down, ready for the eggs. Oh, absolutely perfect. No problem. So it's not quite, the spinach is not quite cooked yet, but that's the stage that you want it at. So all I'm going to do now is break some eggs into this. And even though the eggs will be sitting on the spinach, they will cook. So I bought these organic eggs yesterday and they've got such hard shells. Just pop them around. Generally I, budget for about 2 eggs per person. Fantastic. Little bit of seasoning. I forgot my pepper, so I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to this. And then it's a case of just letting it cook. I'm going to put the lid back on again to see whether it will cook. Thank you. Right, a few minutes has passed. Let's see how we're doing. Absolutely perfect. So obviously all that you need to do is serve this up and eat it. Okay, so thank you for watching today. It's been great to see you. I'm going to be doing loads more of these type of videos, so you're not going to want to miss any of this. So subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.